Look at these kids climbing. I'm such a chicken for climbing. You notice I'm not on the outside, I'm on the inside. Because I'm scared to death. We are very high. Ooh. I'm scared. The water goes any which way it wants, right? It's very cool. It's not hot here.
Yes.
Oh, look at these kids. Oh. Got to do a little mountain climbing every year, I guess. Okay, Dominic, these are the kind of rugs that you're looking for. I will buy one for you.
This woman is so before they are making this.
Yeah, I need to buy one of this. My daughter wants one. Oh, I don't know which one to pick for you. They're all so beautiful. I will pick one, and that's the one you're gonna get. Wow. And next time if you see the video, you can tell me which one. When I come back, then Aziz will show me where to pick another one from. And then we can go again. Oh, it's very beautiful, right? It's very nice. Look at those stairs to go down under the ground or into the... Wow, the water's inside. Yeah, and see, water down there. Wow. This is an amazing place. What does he say? I don't speak English. I only speak English.
Just meeting some people to hire those rooms, but they have reward.
Oh. Okay. I don't know where I'm going there. Over there.